We're doing a few things today. First of all, this stream is going to be, it's kind of like sponsored in a way. We're going to be taking a look at some keycaps that Studio BLB collaborated with IV Works on. I'm going to butcher the pronunciation as per the norm, but the, oh gosh, hold on. Actually, Chozo, did we update the command for it all? Oh, there it is. The Kanketsu, I'm hoping I pronounce it correctly. They're actually really pretty keycaps. So if you guys haven't taken a look, I think the group buy for that got extended now too. Oh wait, I want to show you guys one other thing before we start the stream today. We're going to be doing another Envoy build soon. But I specifically asked if we can build this one with a few different parts. This is an updated Envoy, by the way. So this is going to be a little, you guys can kind of see the internals have been updated. This is the green Envoy. So some updates have gone into this. Apparently the weight is a little bit thicker as well, so it has a little bit more weight to it too. So the heft has changed. But the green Envoy, and then they did send over. Now this is for the old Envoy, like the original one that I built. Dude, I'm excited to put this on. I specifically, they made a joke about it. They're like, you want more keycap pullers? And I was just like, no, I'm good actually, thank you. I still haven't gotten rid of the other ones. All right, very cute, I think so too. Let's take a look at the keycap set first. Now this is the prototype set, so I believe there was like an inkling of something wrong with the prototype set on the enter key, it being out aligned or something, but I like the beige color though, the cream colored on this. Very nice. Let me remove it from the plastic. Very, very nice. Ooh, I like these too. These were pretty. Very pretty. I think to better showcase, yeah, I'm gonna use this camera. This one here is not gonna reflect the light as harshly. Very nice. About that? Yeah, me too. One more thing here with the red. Ooh, that's a nice red. That is a very nice red. But pretty cool keycap set. I'm always up for, I think this is just such a nice color too. You guys know how I feel about like creams and beiges and stuff like that. Works with just about everything, which is perfect. I want an Envoy so bad, but they only do DHL shipping and their import fees are super high. Honestly, DHL, for me as a Canadian, is probably one of the lowest ones. Everything else has been really high. Yeah, we're gonna be using these today. Wow, it's a print. A bread print. Oh, this is cool. I'm always into like little prints like this too. That's cool. I'm actually gonna put this on my put this on my wall there. That'll look really pretty hanging up over there too. Bread. Does this look rose? Because for me, on certain lighting angles, it looks rose. Okay, the camera, I'm not gonna lie, is not picking up that little tinge of pink. But you know what's weird? And this is the weird thing I was saying about this rose gold is, isn't it rose gold? Yeah, it's rose gold. What's weird about this rose gold though is no matter, it's only when I look at it from here, can I see the rose? Here you can see the rose a slight bit too. Like from this like angle of your eyes. Any other angle looks orange. Like here's a little bit of the rose. Angel, apparently Teha eats a burger the same way Tim does. He eats the edges first and the center last. Angel, stop, man. Stop, bro. You do too? Why do you guys eat it like, don't you guys find it more messy? Honestly, guys, I've never eaten the burger like I've never had a burger like that. Kenny, thank you so much for the prime, dude. I'm new here, but I love your YouTube videos. You helped me get into the hobby. Dude, anytime, man. Just keep enjoying keyboards, that's all. Afternoon, Alex. Pulled the trigger on the derivative R1 in blue last night. Much thanks to your YouTube video. Kept not winning unicorn raffles. People already flipped the latest round for 2000.
Hi Alex, I see you're building the Wilbur Thermal Rev2.
I am, well, is this the R2? Yeah, this is the R2. I am, Philip. Are people actually flipping the fucking unicorns for 2000 already? This is why like nice things are so hard to get. Super frustrating? Yeah. Someone from my home of WA State was selling it for 2.2K. Feel ashamed? We literally had a discussion about this in chat the other week, didn't we? Yeah, we did. I don't know. I mean, I can say it till I'm blue in the face. Like, I'm not, unfortunately, I'm not like someone I guess those people want to listen to, but this is the PS5 all over again. No, I don't know. Honestly, fuck it, man. Whatever. Sad when people legit want these boards and scalpers get them just to resell them. I know this is super weird to hear from me. I don't believe in karma. I don't think people like have something bad coming because they did something bad. But I hope that they have to experience something like that too one day, where they want something and then they can't get it because someone's flipped it. High key, if you don't want it, don't enter. How hard is that? That's a pretty foreign concept you got my guy. It doesn't look bad just by itself. I don't know if I like the red though.
Alexotos.
I don't think for this keyboard. If it was an all white keyboard, maybe, but I don't think it suits this because again, you got a little bit of the rosiness on this. Maybe if it was a red enter or a red escape, but again, just to be honest with you guys, I've never liked accent spacebars. Everyone's different though. Remember that, please. Like, they're pretty clean. No real big discrepancies that I can see. You guys know I would be very, very like blunt about that. I think they did mention something was off with this. I think they said this prototype kit had the line wasn't completely straight, but that was being fixed on the final one. But pretty clean though. Here, we'll get really close in for you guys. Please stop shaking. Dude, the side of the thermal. Okay, just trying to appreciate this for a second. Look at the side of the thermal. That's so cool. They feel smooth. They're just, it's like almost like a dirty linear. Very interesting. Yeah, it's a super minuscule, tiny bit of tactility. So nice. Yeah, I don't mind these switches. Thank you so much. Appreciate that, Meg. Sounds like a keyboard. Yeah, I don't mind these switches. I don't know if these switches are my favorite thing in the world, but I don't mind them. They're definitely not as bad as I made them out to be in my head. I kind of judged these before I ever used them, to be completely honest with you guys. But the keycaps look awesome on this. Again, there's nothing really wrong with these. I think they're pretty fucking nice looking. And then they also have a switch to go with this too, the brevity switch. Do I have it open? No, I don't have it open anymore. Show off the... Yes. There we go. Yeah, these are the switches, in case you guys wanted to see. Pretty nice looking switch. Almost a little bit reminiscent of sorta, not really though, the cream soda colors. Moved this frame by accident. Are you gonna review Punk's new root beer float tactiles? I'd like to. They're kind of cool. I mean, they sound nice. Can you do me a favor and show people my prized rug? Prized rug. Oh, script. I didn't even see this. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. Rugs actually go, like, if you get a nice rug, they go pretty ham. They can really make or break a room. That's actually pretty neat, dude. How big is this thing? This looks kind of small though. Let me see. 60 centimeters. It's not too small. He made a real, very high quality rug. Yeah. You know, dude, when I was shopping for rugs originally, this is how I know that I'm gonna be one of those like really, really like blown away people when real life hits me with things. Guys, I did not know rugs actually are very expensive. Because when I was looking for rugs for this room, I was looking and then I went to a rug store and I walked in. I was like, what are they going to be, 100, 200 bucks? I walk in and the guy's like, yeah, this one here is 3,000. And I was just like, okay, you can keep that one there, buddy. Got any for my price range, about $100 to $200? Yeah, there's Did not know rugs get that expensive. Did not know, dude. Dude, rugs get fucking expensive, Kenny. I'm not. 3,000 is probably low. It's probably one of the lowest ones they had in the store there. My father used to be Oriental handmade wool. Wait, my father used to be a Oriental handmade wool rug. I'm speaking about 32. Aaron, I'm not gonna lie. I read that as your father used to be a rug, and I was like, I understand now. The Craftsman is pretty remarkable, not for everyone. That's why I paused there. I was like, what? Is this a dad joke? All right, see you guys later. Bye, everybody. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye-bye, guys.